Every successful outreach campaign begins with one thing: the right leads. Whether you're building your first prospect list or scaling outreach across multiple LinkedIn accounts, SendCopyAI makes importing leads fast, organized, and effortless. In this video, we'll walk through every available way to add leads into your workspace. Start by opening the Leads section from the left navigation menu. This is where all of your lead lists are stored. You can organize prospects into different audiences, search existing lists, monitor campaign usage, and manage every contact from one centralized workspace. To import new prospects, simply click Add Leads. SendCopyAI gives you multiple ways to import leads depending on where your prospects are located. You can import directly from LinkedIn Search, Recruiter, Event Attendees, Post Reactors, Company Search, Sales Navigator, or simply upload your own CSV file. No matter which method you choose, the setup process is quick and intuitive. Let's start with LinkedIn Search. This method allows you to discover companies directly from LinkedIn and import them into SendCopyAI. Simply select the Import option and click Continue. Next, enter a name for your lead list. This keeps your imported prospects organized. Then select the LinkedIn sender account you'd like to use. Finally, enter your search keyword. This could be an industry, a niche, or your ideal customer profile. Once everything is ready, click Start Importing. SendCopyAI now begins collecting your prospects automatically. While the platform works in the background, your leads are searched, processed, and organized into your selected list. Looking for more ways to discover prospects? You can also import directly from LinkedIn Recruiter. Collect attendees from LinkedIn events. Gather people who reacted to a LinkedIn post, or search for companies using LinkedIn Company Search. Each method follows the same simple workflow. Create a list, choose your sender, enter your search, and start importing. Already have a list of prospects? Importing them is just as easy. Select Import from CSV, upload your spreadsheet, and SendCopyAI will automatically process your contacts. For the best results, include LinkedIn profile URLs along with any additional contact information available. If you're using LinkedIn Sales Navigator, SendCopyAI supports importing both leads and accounts. Simply create your lead list, choose your sender, paste your Sales Navigator search URL, and start importing. It's the fastest way to bring highly targeted prospects into your outreach workflow. Once your import is complete, your new lead list appears here. From this dashboard, you can search, organize, filter, and prepare your prospects for personalized outreach campaigns. Everything stays organized, making it easy to manage multiple audiences from one place. And that's it. You've successfully learned every way to import leads into SendCopyAI. Whether you're sourcing prospects from LinkedIn Search, Recruiter, Events, Post Reactors, Sales Navigator, or your own CSV files, SendCopyAI helps you build high-quality lead lists in just a few clicks. In our next tutorial, we'll show you how to use these imported leads to create your first outreach campaign. Thanks for watching.